What is inheritance in Python programming language? Python inheritance. Python inheritance allows one to define a class that will be able to inherit all the methods and properties from another class. There is the parent class or base class, which is the class being inherited from. Then there is the child class or derived class, which is the class that inherits from another class. Creating the parent class. Any class can be a parent class. The syntax of the parent class is the same as creating any other class. For example, let us create a class named teacher, containing the first name and the last name properties and also contains the method printName. This is how you create it below. Class teacher. This creates the class and name it teacher, the parent class. Class teacher def underscore init underscore open brackets self f name, l name close brackets This creates a function self.firstname equals f name self.lastname equals l name. Def printname open brackets self close brackets This create a method using the printName. Print open brackets self.firstname, self.lastname close brackets. X equals teacher open brackets open quotation marks and close quotation marks, open quotation marks Smith close quotation marks close brackets. This assign a variable. X.printname hashtag call the function. Creating the child class. Creating the child class, it will inherit the functionality from another class. You can make the parent class as the parameter when creating the child class. For example, let us create a child class called student. The child class will inherit the properties and the methods from the class named teacher. This is how you create it. Class student open brackets teacher close brackets pass. This is used when you do not want to add any properties or methods to the class. Class student open brackets teacher close brackets, X equals student open brackets, open quotation marks and close quotation marks open quotation marks Smith close quotation marks, close brackets. X.printname open brackets, close brackets. This is used when you want to add an object and then execute the printName method. Next we will learn how to add properties, functions, that is the superfunction and the init functions, and the methods to the Python inheritance code.